For this tutorial, let's go over an automation to automate content approval. As your first step, assign a browser scope and a process step action in the scope. Navigate to the intended URL using the Go to Website action. Next, add UI agent action and assign it a prompt and output variable. Add logs as needed. Add another process step action outside of your browser scope. Drag custom agent action Use the output variable from UI agent as your input variable for this. Assign the generated summary to a variable again. Log the generated summary as your last step for debugging purposes. Next, we will be converting the generated text to a PDF document. Use Create a PDF action. Add the AI-generated text as an input. This automatically converts text to PDF. Assign the PDF file a variable name. The next set of steps will be for creating a task. PDF file a variable name. The next set of steps will be for creating a task. Create a new case. Assign a valid case type, custom data, and output variable. Next, drag and drop Process Cases scope. The case type in Process Case step should match the case type from Create New Case step. Add Create a User Task action. Unique case ID should be the case ID from output variable of the newly created case. After filling out all the fields as shown, click Edit Task Form. Build out your task form as directed below. Save the flow and run it. Once it's done running, we can view the created task form here. This is how the form looks. The reviewer can make an approval decision, add feedback, and finally submit it.